Please, it don't turn back for quiet for aside from my 16 way small confusion be passed for this early morning time. Or please, it don't turn back to normal. Tori for this afternoon, country people them, we go talk palava for thief this afternoon. Thief man with the cashy, he want run, they shoot him for food. We go also talk some other boy with the cash am, where he make na fake money in the game for people them. Palava this accident wey be pass for that side so for Yawende for Bafia side. Governor Naseri Pobeya, he don't talk for mommy and papa them. Say may they look at the kind of motor them where they enter for day. May they enter for motor where give them tickets and where he take all Tori way he consign them. All the Tori then so plus Palava vote forget new president where it go happen for number 7 day. For October moon, we go talk am inside the Tori and Tori two-way newspaper then to the talk. Big part talk, it tell we say waiting. Say person where he first see something for the first time, he must to wipe the eye fine for say make he no feel say he the dream. As a person where he see something for number 1 time, he must to ever wipe the eye plenty time for check say he no be only the dream, na dream. Echu Helen for Yawende side, na isen we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Just for Sabi say small confusion be pass for my 16 bet all thing it don't turn back to normal. Boya sesep it dey kankpe no nothing no dey pass again. As we place it be day yesterday. Inside Tori for this afternoon con the people them make we enter for chapter 40. We go take una we go for place where they call am say gendarme the office. Now the boy this they call in a Rodrigue. Now man where they sabi say he sabi he hand he know the ever she done for one place. They don't catch he run enter for the waterway he want run as well gendarme law sense. Now for the way gendarme put the come out check a chum. Now for a food one time where they put bullet so that he no go fit for run again. And according to Toriwe, big man says for inside that gendarme place, big commander he try for talk. He be the tell we say this party man na the number 4 time this. Where did he bring it for inside their office? The first 3 times, he don't make consulte, he dey so they don't move it for inside Ngata, where they pay na choco. Now again they bring it, party one, he be one run. Now for they way one time, they take gun, bullet, chakachum. Now for a foot, so that he no go fit for rum. Now for this side, for corner Beseke, place where they march. Now the gendarme office where they look at all the other gendarme for Douala here, where they carry the man where they call it say Rodrigue, they take and go there. They say na man where is sabi 40 fine. A hand, he know the ever rest. No nothing, he know the ever pass way, the man, he no put his hand for inside. So now na a foot. Where they put bullet for them so that he no go fit for run as way he be one fair run go. So now Commandant Saidu Abakachi the kipi for them make investigate on top thing where the talk say do he waka fine in the proper. Make we so take on go for inside gendarme people them office. The one na boy where he sabi for make money. He make CFA for inside Cameroon. Yes. Now so for inside gendarmerie legion for Douala here. Now the Padiman this. Now they see. Padiman no ask me how we get your own money. See money. See Mami Bakala. You dey see am? Mami Bakala. All them so now our money. No one no dey fine. Now they not all them so decide to shine so. Mami Bakala. No one no be na find money at all. So when he make and so plenty, he can get for people there for outside. Fake. I say fake. Like that. You see the money? The man sabi for make money. Where you see and say you check chai. They don't dash me Mami Bakala. You know sabi say na fake Mami Bakala where the party man he don't carry him. So now so gendarme people then say they put hand for the man wey he sabi for make na fake mami bakala dem. He take and go fool people dem for outside, take and go biting dem. Only way you wan shine your eye, you go see and say all the mami bakala wey the man can give am na only fake one con the people dem. So they don put it for inside gata. They dis also make investigate for sabi as wey e take get all the small chemical wey e dey use am make e fake mami bakala dem. Inside tori for this afternoon, we go take una go for place where they call am say Yawende. Pana Seripobeya na governor for center. After this accident wey be happen for place of Nkonya Beta, where plenty pikins where they go holiday, they sleep, they no wake up. Pana Seripobeya imito with tori people there yesterday for tell them say official the motor so wey be make this accident. Now 31 people they be die, 4 people they dey for inside hospital. So partners in report they had the back. He say one, many people they know the see motor so they jump enter. Where the motor no give them ticket, he no take identity card for even write their name. That one he go make thing the heart. When the kind of thing happen, they no go sabi who be who. And he don't beg to say make papa they go for agency them. When they sabi say when you go write your name for inside a ticket. Then even show your identity card, they go tell us okay, they pull mark. So that when some kind of thing happen, they go service how they go start. And he don't beg driver people them. Say make they look out. Say make them the look out. Plenty of the driver put there they walk land also for road. Say make they look out. Say this kind of one, you know fine. The accident so it pass. That one get for open plenty people them eye for palava for Klando. As I be say Klando, now one of the things that way they so it help people them plenty. But one time when I get for lookout, if when I don't look out now only for the kind of condition when I go see. So Pana Seripobeya governor for center, he don't yani and he hope say mommy then papa then they don't hear. So total now 31 people them they die for that motorway be make accident. From Konya Beta, according to which we Pana Seripobeya talk and 4 peoples they dey for inside hospital. They dis also struggle for check whether thing they go work a fine or thing they no go work a fine. Palava for skin, we go enter for place where they call am say Marua. Dirty water where people they drink. How sick e no go come? You know that? Dirty water where people they drink, how sick no go come. For book, they tell me say water where e clean, e no get for smell, e no get for get dirty, or e no get for show color. But the people there, when I see their own color for water where they drink, no be na even pure water, no be na pure water, na dirty water, na see water for inside container. Na do you understand? Na inside see water put the drinker. How man no go sick? When the year say this sick where they call and say cholera, don't start show what face for that side so for Marua. For sicker, they kind of dirty water the way people they drink. The dirty kind water them. So you don't make a now doctor then say they don't start give advice. You wait the drink the kind of water. They give advice for who? Men governor say put him on for the palava. Yes. People they no get for the drink the kind of water for the kind of time. Cameroon don't go for before. Cameroon don't say people they also drink the kind of water. Say water no dey for people them for drink. See dirty water. That kind of water a no get for be for inside country this kind of time. So far as well with the day for Bankunkuma say 2035 we must go for before. This kind of water no get for day. Make down governor people then say they try for check the palava. As well they say cholera it don't start show head for Marua. Now for we for look out. But as I be say no be na only dirty water they make cholera cash man. Even man wey just go touch dirty thing, he touch chop, he put am for mop. Touch dirty thing, touch chop, put am for mop. All that one they so. Now sick you dey put am for your skin no be skin, see water. Now water that put they drink. Master, who left that thing? As well we talk, vote for get new president for country. Number 7 day for October month 2018. And that number 7 day na Sunday. Nkunkuma said na he sign book for on top the palava yesterday. And according to Tori Nkunkuma sign, as we don't sign the book, Sabi say something now, people the way they organize the vote when I elect them, they don't be don't Sabi. But as we the book, it don't come out. It means say elect them, it get for start turn up all 18 them for all corner. and people they say they want beef, they want a drag rope with Nkukuma, they get for start prepare to in the proper for safety. Make this palava e go na only for before. Sabi say vote for get new president. Now the other time they come. And so now we never sabi whether Nkunkuma say e go turn up for the palava for vote. Even as we don't make announce, say vote e go be na number 7 day for inside October moon. He say never talk whether e go be, e go turn up or e no go turn up. Now for we for also continue for reading book and for sabi say vote for get new president for country. Whether you like her or you no like number 7 day for October moon. All people there they don't talk say they want dry rope Nkunkuma. Now for start prepare one time for Sika say correct work Binet e dey come and me say I dey give advice you wey you never get your own card for go vote, you wey you never get your card for vote, go make your card. You understand no? Go make your card. No talk say you no be get card na why that you no go vote. Vote na your right, so make no man no fool you. Make your card, wait for number 7 day for October, you vote. You understand? Now so no talk say you no get card, you no get card. No, left hand. Go make your card, go vote. If you no get card, you no go fit for vote person wey you want voter. Okay, we go take una for my one for Limbe now. Now people then this way they don't run enter for Limbe for seeker confusion for that side. Now pastor says for inside church or Presbyterian church side, he meet all the people them, he give them small ashia. So all them so now people there they hear bad. Sabi say the ashia way pastor then say they don't give am church, they give am now for say he did your help small. Sabi say governor say he get for bring his own help small time. So for before governor come, people them for my one, them say they don't give small mala. For all the people then too they be wrong come up for different side them for seeker confusion. For they should don't for inside Limbe. They don't give them small things, say may they take help their system. As so they wait, say may governor their own too e cap. So now the mala than that where they give for them clothes, mala and even medicine. They join all thing. Give for them, say may they look at their skin. Sabi say as so they run come for that side way, you know they for them, so they get for see as so they feel they keep their skin together. Even as way country it wrong. So now they help that way, they don't give for the people them for that side. So for inside Limbe and for PC my one, the one it happened. We go also remain for inside Limbe, country people them. We remain for inside Limbe for so talk same. Limbe town, plenty new faces and too they don't enter for inside Limbe town. As well with Toriman. My Moses said it be tonton for inside Limbe for check as well the town idem. New stranger them, they don't enter for town. Market o, na Okada side o, or na for side o, all sides, market face people them, new face people them, they don't enter. So te Okada then say the vex. Say as well new people they don't come for seeker confusion where they happen, all them say they be now so they fight now na passenger. Market side, Binet, it don't trump us as we be ever fair be. All man, it the trouble for making them. Carry chop, it bring am chop, it is spoil, it is rotten, it is look you. So, life for Limbe, Okada people, they complain. Binet people, they complain. Nothing, you know the worker. New peoples, they don't enter for inside town. So, now the thing that we see for seeker confusion way, it pass. Make we hear wait some mammy the way they deserve for inside market. They talk for David Simaimo a microphone.
So I would pray say at least may something try do something so may try do better small. Because a bar would over suffer, would suffer over. Small time so school can open. And only through the market are picking a fee go school. So if you not make them picking no fee go school. So
market they sell and customer they need different camp for can buy them. So market really strong.
Since as this strike will not see any work on one side. Plus the road for day. Even market we may not go customer can buy one plane a problem.
The business really move. Really move that way at first.
First time we sell fine. Now so we move that way.
We be talk to with some Okada people them for inside Limbe, David Simaimo. Waiting the girl for talk for we.
Town don't be full with rider the way they come up for different area they come here because of the crisis we there for Cameroon.
Now they don't come, so just confuse two for town. Because they no place to there. Side or 200 now 100. We pay the pen, 100. The people proud say you don't want to elephant. After you deny that, then they can't. After they know the place, you can't go.
The town don't be full.
So, by first compare, it then also for inside Limbe for Okada side, just as for business side, for Sika say new face them, they don't enter for inside town. Last story for this afternoon, we go take on a go for Brazil. We country people them for Brazil, they be the turn back for house. Supporter them, they vex, they take welcome, they now waiting, stone, on top their motor them, say they don't go mess for Russia, they turn back for can do waiting for inside Brazil. They shoot motor so te time no day, policeman say come out, he come for come back, say make they stop for shoot, where he no be there. As well the motor will carry player them for Brazil, it be the pass. Now so to the vex people them, they so continue for throw stone on top the motor. They say the boy then they don't go mess for Russia. Then they turn back for house. They no be like and plenty for inside this palaver. So plenty of that supporter them. They vex. They so trade and stone for say they don't go mess for that side. So for Russia. So now they welcome that way Brazil supporter them. They give them for their player them. As well they turn back for inside Brazil after we they commode them for World Cup for place for quarterfinal. So supporter them for Brazil, they really vex with their team. For Sika say they go mess for Russia on see them. As well they shoot their own motor them, they shoot player for say waiting, say they don't go mess for that side so for Russia. So now so they take talk come good for Brazil player them after we they turn back for inside country. Newspaper then say they look to read for their own eye. Palava for Norwest Airways, News Watch where they for outside they ask na question. Waiting African Union if you do for help say made the chapter for Norwest Airways, it no go over bad. Inside the same News Watch, waiting when News Watch it talk, it enter to for the help when gomnam, it put am. They ask na big question whether it is so the help na some kind office kind help where the fee use help for stop DT way the pass for that side so for Norwest and Southwest. Now so to News Watch it announced for tell we say Nkunkuma he say waiting vote for get new president for country na number 7 day for October moon. Other to read the day for inside News Watch way you feel read them. The Guardian post a day 2 for outside today con the people them. Inside the Guardian post, they say 2018 vote for get with new Nkunkuma. Say Nkunkuma says he don't call people there, they look all the palaver for vote. Say number 7 day for October moon, it go happen. But the one it the come with condition there for Norwest Airways is also then as some kind of way. According to way the Guardian post it talk am. Inside the same Guardian post, they tell we as well Monday it be then as on war day for that side so. For Southwest, as well, at least 10 people they die for Boya and for Kumba side now only gone to Ebihala. Inside the same Guardian post, you feel read other to read them where it concern Far North Governor where say be the call people them may they can join small money for see as well they feel help people there for Southwest and Northwest where they don't run. Now so to the tell we where man in knock a woman so they he die. For Sika say woman, he no give job. The one he pass for you in the side. Young Philemon, a woman says Linda Young, he don't join the hand with Oku people them. For see as well they go join money for build their own house for that side so for inside Oku. It means say na Oku people there hall where they contribute for make am as well the Guardian post a talk am. We want to say big thank you for you, Moa Patrick, where you set up the same way paper every day. Last story for inside waiting when newspaper they talk. Now the median newspaper wait there for outside. Editor we say waiting. Letter where they write and for United Nations High Commissioner for Refugee. They talk as well people there they don't run come up for Norwest Airways. They don't talk from government say they no want the help where they want give for them. According to where the guidance the median they talk and for this time. Inside the same median they talk palava Boya Mayor Ekema Patrick where he talks waiting palava for country Sunday. He no go pass for inside that side so for Boya after we be first surprise him. Other to read the day for the median now for enter for inside for Sabiti way it day inside in the proper. So, now the small story than that, where we bring am for this afternoon, country people them, make una sabi say we dey, for sake of una dey, and we go give una the story where una like am. Big thank you for you, Lady Olodupone, and even you, Nadine Gwafo, for the help. When I sabi say other story that they come from my back, make no man no shake, I go turn back for some time, una hold am tight.